Okay, so hey guys, Chef Star here, and today
Whenever we see that money, we gon' you know we about that paper, so we some fly money makers, and whenever we see that money,
we are doing another video, obviously, because you're watching it. I should have thought about this before. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna be doing another Q&A because can't think of any ideas. So yeah, some people have sent me questions. Yeah, so the first one is, what's your name? And I don't know why the person is asking what my name is, because they already know my name. Okay, so yeah, my name's Levi Buchanan. Yeah, it's on the screen spelled. So don't, if you ever come up to me and call my name, if you say it wrong, I'll give you 2 boxes in the face. I'm not even joking. You'll drop. Yeah, so the next question is, where are you from? From white hair, white hair, white hair, white hair, white hair, white hair, white hair. I am from white hair. I'm from right here, Wolverhampton. Yeah, deadest city on the planet. Yeah. How tall are you? I think I'm about 5'11". I'm not sure. Is this your first channel? No, it isn't, but I'm not telling you the name of my other channel because I know that you're gonna embarrass me. That won't be fun, will it? What is your channel about? To be honest, I'm still trying to figure that out for myself. So, yeah, it's not really a question you can ask me at this time. Is it? Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? You know, yeah, so just hit the subscribe button down below. Gang gang. Who were some of your favorite YouTubers? KSI, JJ come back with better songs. KSI, his little brother, the boy in there. Logan Paul, obviously, don't hate. Yeah, Jake Paul, don't hate. Please, just allow me, fam. And multiple other people, but I can't bother to name them. What inspired you to make videos? Seeing other people making videos inspired me to make videos, basically, because it's actually really fun, even though sometimes I just can't. Yeah, so my phone just cut me off there for a sec. Very sorry about that. Yeah. What does your username mean? Boy, I might have to do a whole video on this again. I might have to do it right after this one, to be honest. It will come out next week, bro. You'll have to hear the rest of the story next week, so stay tuned. Oh gosh. Don't want the lawnmower in the shot. Yeah, so yeah, basically it ended up being Chef Star. And that is the name I have. Yeah, so on to the next question. That was weird. What's the best thing about your YouTube? Me. What's the worst thing about your YouTube? Me. What are your goals when it comes to YouTube? My goals, wow. Don't do that again. Okay, so basically, yeah. 1, I want to do collabs with bigger YouTubers. 2, I want to be famous with YouTube. not out of greed or anything, but like, wouldn't it just be great to say, yo, I'm famous from something that is 100% free? All you have to do is record a video and post it, and you'll become famous one day. That's just like, yeah. So that's no. It's more of an explosion. Like, yeah, that will look so much better with the edit. It just will. It's fact. Yeah. Yeah, so basically making collabs with big YouTubers and becoming a big YouTuber. Any advice for new YouTubers? Yo, hop in it with me, I'm new too. So, we're all in this together, dude. YouTube power. No one sent me any other questions. I swear this person got the questions off the website though. Like, I swear I've seen some of them before. Boy, yeah, so let's just do a little bit of a montage until we see the next lot of questions. Let's go. Ooh, I'm back. Isn't it fantastic? That was dramatic. I've got a little bit more questions, dude. Okay, these are very strange questions because they seem like they're from a website, but I know that they're not. Yeah, look at the questions, bro. Look at the questions. It's on Snapchat, fam. It's on Snapchat, fam. Yeah. So, okay. What do you want to do when you're older? YouTube or photography? One of the other, one or the other, or both. I could do a YouTube channel about photography. Again, that would look sick with the edit. What are 3 things in order you want to do before you die? I want to have a very luxurious life, or more luxurious than it is right now. I want my family to have more luxurious life, more luxurious than it is right now. And I want to be happy. Okay, if you could live in any country, where would it be and why? Well, I've only ever been to 1, no, 2, 3 different countries. And out of those 3, I'd have to pick Spain because it was the best, or one of the best experiences I've ever had. I can't talk. One of the best experiences I've ever had. That is the correct way to say it. Yeah, so Spain. What's your favorite food? It's not chicken before you all say it's chicken just because I'm black. Don't look at the colour of my skin. Look at my heart. Look at my shirt. Yes, look at my t-shirt. Not my jacket, my t-shirt. I don't know, yeah. The last question on this list is, what made you want to start YouTube? Again, seeing other YouTubers make videos and how much fun it is to make content for people to watch and enjoy. It's just exhilarating. Yeah, so, yeah. Yeah, and I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah, so gang. There's only one shout out today, and that is my friend Lottie. Her Instagram will be like right there in it. Right there. Right where my finger is, like right there. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, smash the thumbs up button. I beg you, like, just destroy the thumbs up button, but make sure it's in enough tact for the next person after you to smash it too. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Don't know where I'm going with this, but I don't know how to do outros, man. Stay tuned for next week's video. You already know what it is. And yeah, I will see you when that comes around, which will be later. Peace.